Assalamu alaikum, honorable viewers and my dear students. How are you all? Hope you are keeping well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Dear students, today I am going to teach the students of class 8. So, without wasting your time, please take all necessary things and be attentive to my class. Welcome to online class of Puran Bazar Girls High School. I am Mohammad Ali Hussain, Assistant Headmaster, Puran Bazar Girls High School. These students look at the picture and think about them. What are these? These are steamed rice with different types of cuts. What are these? These are different types of fishes. What is this? This is pond. What is this? This is river. What is this? This is lake. What is this? This is a sea. What are these? These are different sources of fishes. What is this? What is this? What is this? And what is this? What are these? These are various types of sweets and petals in Bangladesh. So, tell me, what can you see in the picture? Okay, our today's topic is Bangladeshi cuisine. Dear students, today we are going to learn about Bangladeshi cuisine. Unit 1, Lesson 5. Learning outcome. Students will be able to write about their favorite food, read the text properly, describe about Bangladeshi cuisine, repeat after teacher's reading, learn some new meaning of word. Dear students, look at the vocabulary so that you can know the meaning of the passage and answer the questions from the text. Lake. Lake means a large body of water surrounded by land. Dried fish. Dried fish means fishes which are dried in the sun. Pickles. Pickles means predicaments. Spices. Spices means seasonings. The students read the text in silence. The students go through the text and try to guess the contextual meaning of the text. Bangladeshi cuisine is rich and varied with the use of many spices. We have delicious and appetizing food, snacks, and sweets. Boiled rice is our staple food. It is served with variety of vegetables, curry, lentil soup, fish, and meat. Fish is the main source of protein. Fishes are now cultivated in ponds. Also, we have freshwater fishes in lakes and rivers. More than 40 types of fishes are common in Bangladesh. Some of them are carp, rui, katla, magur, or catfish, chingri, prawn, or shrimps. Shutki or dried fishes are popular. Hirsha is very popular among the people of Bangladesh. Panta ilish is a traditional platter of panta bhat. It is steamed rice soaked in water and served with a fried hilsa slice, often together with dried fish, pickles, lentil soup, green chilies, and onion. It is a popular dish on the Pahela Boishakh. The people of Bangladesh are very fond of sweets. Almost all Bangladeshi women prepare some traditional sweets. Pitha is a type of sweets. Pitha is made from rice flour, sugar, syrup, molasses, sometimes milk. Is a traditional food loved by the entire population. During winter, Pitha Utsav, meaning Pitha festival, is organized by different groups of people. Sweets are distributed among close relatives when there is good news like births, weddings, promotion, etc. Sweets of Bangladesh are mostly milk based. The common ones are Rasgulla, Sandesh, Rasmalai, Gulab Jam, Kalo Jam, and Samsam. There are hundreds of different varieties of sweets preparation. Sweets are therefore an important part of the day-to-day life of Bangladeshi people. Dear student, today I am going to give you some homework. Number one, answer the following question. Number one, what has made Bangladeshi food special? Number two, how do people celebrate their good news? Number three, where are fishes cultivated now? Number four, what is our staple food and how it is served? Number five, when and how is Panta ilish served? Number six, what are ingredients of preparing pitha? Number seven, why are sweets an important part of our life? Number eight, Panta ilish is a traditional platter of Panta bhat. Do you agree? Give your reason. Dear students, thank you very much. Dear students, you know, we all are passing through a very crucial time. So you have to stay at home and remain safe. But in emergency situation, if you have to go out, you have to use sanitizer, put on mask, and maintain social distance.